Mediterranean salad recipe. Fattoush is a Mediterranean fried bread salad that usually consists of lettuce, tomatoes, cucumbers, radishes, and fried pita bread pieces. Green peppers, green onions, and parsley are also common. As you might expect, this fattoush salad consists of pita fried or baked bread, with various seasonal veggies. As a result, there are no restrictions on the veggies you may use in fattoush. Ingredients: 1 chopped lettuce, 2 chopped cucumbers, 3 chopped tomatoes, 2 chopped pita bread, 3 green onions chopped, both white and green sections, half a cup chopped fresh parsley leaves, half a cup chopped fresh mint leaves, 2 tablespoons sumac. Dressing ingredient: 4 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 6 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon pomegranate molasses, salt and pepper. Instruction: break the pita bread into small bite-sized pieces. Bake for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius after dipping pita bread in 3 tablespoons of olive oil, then season with salt, pepper, and sumac. In a large mixing bowl, combine the chopped lettuce, cucumber, tomatoes, and green onions with sliced parsley and mint. To make the dressing, in a small bowl, whisk and throw together the fresh lemon juice, olive oil, pomegranate molasses, sumac, salt, and pepper. In the last, add the pita chips, and toss one more time, and transfer to serving bowls or plates.